Hi everyone, good morning and welcome back to Cat King. This is Anisha here. Today we are going to be talking about CMAT exam, which is a very good upcoming exam for all of you guys. I know CAT for is not gone well for all of you. Some of you guys have done well, some of you guys have not done well. All of you guys who think that CAT exam you weren't able to score, CMAT is an upcoming exam. The registration has not yet started, but it's a very easy exam, difficulty level wise. Plus, the best part is time management wise also. Unlike SNAP and NMAT, which is easier level, but time is also a concern, CMAT does not have that time constraints as well. So let's look at the entire CMAT strategy, which is going to be helpful for all of you guys. Okay, so CMAT as an exam has got 4 sections. Okay, you have 4 sections: quants, LR, verbal, GK, 25 questions in each one of them. +4 and -1 is your marking scheme. 3 hours time for the complete 4 sections. There is no sectional time limit. It's on you where you want to spend your 3 hours for each of the sections. Ideally, I would suggest you guys to target 20 questions in quants, 22 in LR, 19 in verbal, 15 in GK, because LR is the easiest and the most scoring area as compared to all of them. Last year, we had a new section which was introduced called as Innovation and Entrepreneurship. 25 questions and 100 marks for this. Out of these 25, somewhere around 15, 20 you can attempt, but this is an optional section till now. And the best part is we do not know which all colleges are going to be accepting innovation and entrepreneurship. Since last year also, there was no specific cutoffs with respect to any colleges for the same. All right, if I give you guys a heads up on the topic and the syllabus, with quants and DI section, trust me, quants is very easy. I was a CMAT 99.96 percentiler, so I can vouch for it that yes, it's going to be a fairly easy exam. Okay, quants and DI section is dominated by arithmetic. 10 to 12 questions come from that, and then you have somewhere around 5 to 6 questions of DI/DS as well. The rest of the modules, 1 or 2 questions come. When we talk about LR section, we have a good chunk of questions coming from critical reasoning and your implicit statements, assumption, analogy, statement, conclusion. That's basically a critical reasoning section or verbal reasoning. And easy to score LR topics like coding, decoding, blood relations, syllogisms, direction sense, all of them. Puzzles, you can expect maybe one arrangement based puzzle or a random puzzle, one. So it's not very complex. Verbal, which is also called as language comprehension. You have reading comprehensions, fill in the blanks, vocab-based questions with synonyms, antonyms, grammar-based like sentence correction, idioms and phrases, these type of questions. GK, we have static GK, current affairs, all of these questions, okay? Innovation and entrepreneurship, which is the optional section, has a combination of RC based questions along with certain MCQ based questions, which is on the general, you can say, understanding of the concepts of entrepreneurship, management, and business awareness. All right. Colleges which are accepting CMAT, the best part is you guys can get into JBMS, which is one of the top colleges in India, or you can say number one when it comes to Mumbai if you look at CET, but you're looking at 99.9 percentile. But CMAT is an easy exam to get a 99 plus percentile as well also. Then you have Sydenham, Goa Institute of Management, Great Lakes, Pumba, KJ Somaiya, Wellinger, ITM, Jackson, there's Soil University in Delhi, Watson in Hyderabad, IMT. Now IMT, Hyderabad and Nagpur accept the CMAT scores, not Ghaziabad, but the others do accept the CMAT scores. So you have a lot of good opportunities to apply through CMAT exam as well also. So I would suggest definitely take this exam, rather start preparing for it. As soon as the dates are out, you should be registering for the same and preparing for this, giving this exam for sure. Talking about the dashboard, which you guys are going to get access to when you take up the CMAT scores exams, make sure you have 10 mocks of CMAT. You are practicing them so that we can balance our accuracy versus time management strategy. You have past 5 years CMAT actual questions, recorded videos of each and every section available. Watch them. That will give you a quick heads up कि कितना easy इसका difficulty level है. When we're talking about CMAT, genuinely is easy. And we have CMAT Sunday sessions happening every Sunday 9 p.m. with CMAT toppers. I'll make you guys meet CMAT 100 percentile of quants, LRN, all of these sections as well. All right, so this is a quick heads up to all of you guys with respect to your CMAT exam, and definitely it's an easy exam which you guys should be looking forward to. Let's get started with the preparation and do not waste more time on the other exams or focusing on कि यार अच्छा नहीं गया अभी तक register नहीं किया था मैंने for let's say SNAP or NMAR or CAT has not gone well. No worries, this exam registration has not yet started, so you can start the preparation.